I hate sprint, but
you know, good thing about this. Hey, this is even better. What? How I'm sitting. $16.5. Okay.
nice fat walleye.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, the live will start working.
Probably because we're When we turn it off, what do I hit?
Just caught a nice.
Yeah, somewhere in there.
I think so. Oh yeah, I got one. Nope. Oh, it's a nice walleye, nice walleye.
Oh shit. Where's the net? Here we go. He's got my line too. Watch it, Mike. You want to turn the camera on?
Oh, it's just.
Don't lose the fish. I don't think it's a go.
I do. It's a go.
No, it's a go.
Oh yeah.
That's definitely. Big enough though. I don't know. It's close.
Clean my clock with 2 freaking minnows. Wow.
What do you think, Kyle? Worth the measure.
Definitely worth the measure.
I'm all visited now.
Yeah, that one actually touched me.
Ooh, I don't know.
Huh, that was got a little length.
Go another fish right here.
Thanks for getting me wet.
Kyle with another keeper.
Nice fish.
Kyle, if you're gonna keep that, don't cut it. Hold on, Kyle.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's fully in.
Yeah, screw it.
Tie another one on.
I guess we can get it when we clean it.
Okay, Kyle, put
You
your
wanna
pulse
measure it?
in. You're limited out. Nice fish, Kyle.
You want to measure it?
There, we got one.
Yep.
Right there.
Oh, look at that.
Another one right
Good
there.
job, Kyle. Yeah.
15 and a half.
I said just go down a little bit. A little bit will make that other run. Yep. Because I swore I had a bite.
That's in, Mike.
What's that?
Oh, I think it's from the plug in. The plug's in.
The plug's in.
Kyle, you want to hold it or something?
No, I'm good.
Put it in there.
Just give it a toss. There she goes.
Alright.
Outside that.
Yep. One monster catch right here.
They're in here. Rod.
Oh, here, Kyle. Kyle. Got it?
Got him?
Oh yeah.
That's
No. Oh, baby. What was that on, Kyle?
worm. And no spinner.
No shit. Nice.
How big is it?
About
17?
18.
Where's the measuring board?
Where's the measuring board at?
In that door.
Rod will get it for you.
Rod.
You want me to pause it, Kyle?
Which one?
You skinny. Look at this shit. Don't move. What happened? They keep coming off in the net.
Oh, he's worth a try.
Kyle, can you reel that line in? Got it. There we go. Can we keep 18 feet? Not like the white. Oh, there it goes.
Oh.
How's that thing fight?
Yeah, this is great.
Oh my God. It's a monster. Big. Holy crap. Fuck me running.
Those Asians would be going crazy.
The walleye.
And we got another walleye.
No.
Smallmouth.
Smallmouth.
Oh, you guys got the wrong fish on the wrong pole. Damn, these fish are turning on now. Yeah, I know. That's bullshit. Oh.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
God, those things are fat.
Them are freaking awesome, man.
Yeah, I wish I knew.
Wow.
Oh, for the live well.
Oh, you got a keeper?
Yeah. Well, remember, there you go.
Did you get one now?
It's a stick.
Grub.
Because he's not fighting. Kyle, can you reel up that pole because it's coming with it?
Oh no, you got a you got a pike on.
No, it's a white bass.
No, it's a pike.
Oh, no, it's a big old wolf. Get him, Kyle.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
Get him, get him.
Oh my God, Kyle.
Yes.
holy
Oh,
crap!
shit.
Do it over here.
Woo!
Wow.
That is nice. Whoa. Man, woman, child.
Wow.
How
That went
Oh.
from a fuck up to a...
How lucky
Let me
is
see this.
that? Look
Damn.
at that monster. Gotta get pictures